Skirting boards tend to get knocked around throughout their life. Maybe it's time for a little TLC. We want our homes to look the best they can possibly be. In this case, there's a way to fix the ugly or worn out skirting boards and make them how you've always wanted. Try different colours. White is the standard colour for skirting boards and has been for a very long time. This colour will work with most homes. However, if you feel differently on that, skirting boards can now be painted. You can now have different designs. You no longer must go with the standard ball nose or Taurus skirting boards. Now, there's so many designs for skirting boards, it can be somewhat overwhelming. The best way to go about finding designs is to think about what kind of look you are looking for, then looking online, or you can try out our samples. Use higher quality MDF skirting boards. If you are not aware, MDF skirting boards are made up of wood fibres which are then compressed under high pressure to make the skirting board. Now, the important thing here is the finish. If you are buying skirting boards and the finish either looks inconsistent or has an unsmooth-like appearance or feels rough on the surface, chances are you are looking at standard grade MDF. This is common in most homes. This can brittle over time and look unsatisfactory not long after. To avoid this issue, make sure you look for high density fibre skirting boards. There was a time when skirting boards only came in a certain height, very small heights at that, as people never thought to try new heights and it would have been too expensive at the time. Now you can have skirting boards in any height you wish. Another change is the thickness of skirting boards. Like the height before it, skirting boards only came in one thickness size. Now you can make it thicker too. If you are wondering what the thickness will do, not only will a thicker board be stronger, it allows designs to look grander and stand out much more than a thinner board. If you need more floor space or putting skirting boards in a narrow space, a thinner board is better suited for these situations. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time we will see you in our next video.